Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
What should I do? It won't stop!
I hereby dub thee Sir Toad.
Bell County Unified School District!
Get back, you oil-thirsty parasite! Actually, this is my good side.
I shouldn't have gotten them presents. Mommy! There!
Wow, I look even better than before.
Right there, in the hood, right there.
fancy helicopter you was talking about?
You didn't know you had.
Yo, I've never been off-road.
Well, that's gonna change right now. Hello.
I thought it was just a preview and I didn't realize I was paying for it. PP.
Mr. McQueen?
Today's the day, Cruz. You're getting your shot.
What?
I started this race, and you're gonna...
No, I asked my uncle once how I'd know when it was time to stop. You know what he said?
That Francesco is fine looking.
And those open wheels.
Boy, you're in a heap of trouble.
Hey, yo, DJ!
How'd you like to become the new face of Dinoco?
All right.
Looks like we got some work to do.
¡Viejo y yo! McQueen no está inspirado hoy.
Soy el... You can drive as good as you can fix the road, then you can win this race with your eyes shut.
Persistent little bugger for a two-cylinder. Finally, I said, all right.
Storm?
How did you...
Just back here drafting on your butt. Nothing to be concerned about.
Right, dude.
Did to me all these years. It's the least I could do.
Whatever happens, you're a winner to me, you old daddy.
Thank you, Mel. It is very, very good to be here. Now listen to me. Big oil. It costs a fortune. Pollution is getting worse.
Wait for Lightning McQueen to choke, pass him, then win. Francesco always wins. It's a boat. Mama! Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad.
Need is the sweet taste of my homemade organic fuel.
No, doesn't agree with my...
Perché devo fare sta cosa?
Guida,